Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about beautiful hand embroidery designs and ideas. Hand embroidery is a lovely art that has used for many years. It is a simple way to decorate clothes, cushions, tablecloths, bags and many other things. With just a needle, thread and fabric you can create amazing things. Hand embroidery is also relaxing. Let's look at some popular hand embroidery designs and ideas. First is the floral embroidery designs. Flowers designs are one of the most popular embroidery styles. You can make roses, sunflowers, tulips and many small flowers on fabric. Floral embroidery looks beautiful on dresses, scarves, pillow covers and even handbags. Different thread colors make the flowers look bright and attractive. Second is the leaf embroidery design. Leaf patterns are simple but very elegant. They are often used with flower designs to make the embroidery look natural. Leaves can be stitched using simple stitches like satin stitch or chain stitch. Another lovely idea is border embroidery designs. Border designs are stitched along the edges of fabric. You can decorate the borders of dupattas, sleeves, tablecloths or bed sheets. Border embroidery gives a neat and stylish look to simple fabric. Next is a mirror work embroidery. Mirror embroidery is a popular and traditional clothing. Small mirrors are stitched into the fabric with colorful threads. This style is often seen in cultural dresses and handmade decorations. Another beautiful idea is simple pattern embroidery. These designs include small shapes like hearts, stars, circles or geometric patterns. They are easy for beginners and look very modern and clean. Let's also talk about some basic embroidery stitches. One common stitch is the running stitch. It is one of the easiest stitches and is perfect for beginners. Another popular stitch is the chain stitch. This stitch creates a chain-like pattern and is often used for outline and borders. The satin stitch is also very popular. It is used to fill shapes like petals and leaves, giving a smooth and shiny look. Embroidery can be done on many different fabrics like cotton, linen, silk and ermine. Each fabric design are different and style and effect. If you are new to embroidery, start with small and simple designs. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.